I'm just going to start this video out and say it's okay. Relax, take a chill pill, grab a beer. Let's all hang out for a little bit. We've been waiting for a little bit of time for this project to get going, and now that it finally has, we can come to expect some growing pains, but it's all going to work out in the end. And I'm going to help you with a couple of issues today, so stay tuned. Nerdy dude stuff. For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is brought to you by Storm Peak Brewing Company out of Steamboat Springs, Colorado. This is Coffee Moo's Coffee Milk Stout, 5.4% alcohol by volume, nice, dark, coffee, chocolatey body with a bit of cream from that milk that you come to expect. This tastes just like a cold brew of just straight coffee with a splash of milk to it. Probably give it about a 7.5 out of 10. Cheers to you guys. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about Bitcoin, and just Planetwatch today, and all that good stuff. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on the bell notification as we post videos weekly. And we also do a stream every Monday at 2 p.m. Eastern about Helium and placement and all that stuff. So if you guys want to join along on that stream tomorrow, stop on by. It'll be a great time. Now, we have been going crazy for the past 2 months for our Planetwatch miners, right? Miners. We're going to put miners in quotes there. With our sensors. Obviously, this week, they were all able to be onboarded. We were able to attach our licenses to them, but we're all not seeing any rewards. We're seeing GPS errors, and everyone's kind of freaking out. Some people are crying a scam, which I really want to kind of argue with. Why would this be, how would you consider this a scam? They didn't say give us $5,000 and we're going to give you, ever expending passive income compounding interest every single day. This is literally you purchased yourself an air quality sensor, which A, gives you improvement to your lifestyle characteristics and the air quality around you and quality of life. That's what I was looking for, quality of life improvement. But B, we also have an opportunity to earn some very sweet, delicious planet tokens, cryptocurrency, which we can make as passive income for hopefully the next few years. Of course, with this being a slightly smaller project, and of course, with this being on a blockchain like Algo, where that is also a newer cryptocurrency that's ever growing, there's going to be some growing pains. With that said, we're going to take a look at a couple of things today, and we're going to talk about a couple of topics to put your mind at ease while you don't have to really go crazy or flip out or freak out or anything that you're not getting rewards, because this is all going to work itself out. This is the first weekend since the app released a couple of days ago, so of course there's going to be issues, and of course people are going to want to take the weekend off after working hard to get the app out. I guarantee that Planetwatch released the app thinking that things would be a lot smoother than they were, and we're able to sit there and go, okay, the app's out, mining's on the way, now let's go ahead and have a weekend off. But that's obviously not the case, as we're going to see here in just a second. The good thing is they're aware of all these issues, and they have been addressing them. They've been doing assistances, such as for those of you wanting to add like the Planetwatch token to your account, every Aware element that you onboard, they're giving you a little bit of Algo to do that. So they already have these solutions for these problems. Now it's just a matter of getting the final kinks and the final wrinkles ironed out before we are consistently and sweet mining those beautiful tokens. So let's take a look at the monitor and look at some fixes for a couple of things and some stuff to put your mind at ease. Let's jump over here.
Copper says, I still don't feel good after my vet appointment, but I'm trying to get better and taking all my medicine. He also says, stay tuned because the Shut Up Copper t-shirts will be releasing sometime this week. But he's such a good boy. You're doing okay, guy.
So just a quick reminder, if you're in the US, today is November 7th, and if you're watching this video today, this is your last day that you'll be able to purchase a Type 4 license from the Planetwatch website using PayPal or a credit card. After that, on November 8th, you're only going to be able to purchase these licenses using Planet tokens. So if this is something you plan on doing, you might want to consider doing that now. If you are waiting for the kinks to work out, then I would probably consider jumping in with some Planet tokens because of their value is currently sitting at 30.8 cents. So that would be something to do or to jump into. Now, what we want to talk about is we've already got ourselves set up. We've got our 4 miners already linked up, our 4 miners, I should say, to their licenses, and we have them installed at everyone's houses. You can see here, someone's got good air quality. That's what the green means. You can see the little scale down here. And then the other 3 have great air quality. So I've got 1 here at my house, 1 at my in-laws' house, 1 at my brother's house, and then 1 at a really close family friend's house. And if you're wondering how I got those two friends to put them there, or like my brother and my buddy to put them there, I'm offering them 25% of the Planet tokens to host these devices. I'm doing 25% because I don't need to install any antennas or anything like that. You literally just plug the device in, let it sit. Like this at my family friend's house is literally under a bed. We plugged it in and we were hiding it under a bed in one of his guest rooms. And that way it's going to get that different kind of air quality there. And then at my brother's house, this is going to be in his cigar room. So we're getting that different environment as well, which is really, really cool. And you can see that's why he's got a good score and not a great score. Now, when you're on the Planetwatch Explorer, very simple to get to. You go to planetwatch.us, and then up here you click on Explorer. It's going to take you to the Explorer page. In the top right, you have to sign in. Once you sign in, you hit the little icon button. Then you hit My Sensors, and it's going to take you to this screen here. Now, if you just have everything set up and you've plugged in your addresses, you're going to see a red triangle on each of your devices, and it's going to give you a GPS error. And that is apparently the big error right now that is preventing everyone from mining or earning any of the Planetwatch tokens. Now, if you're watching this on 11/7, they did come out and say that there are some issues and the rewards for today will not be paid out, but they will be paid out tomorrow. They're just not paying them out today. So you want to get this resolved and fixed. This is exactly how you need to do it. First things first, pull up the Planetwatch Twitter and scroll down until their post on November the 5th, and you're going to see it right here. We are aware of persistent error when you insert the sensor at a location. As a quick temporary fix, I just got a alert from the nerdy office. Oh, the temperature's rising. Yeah, it's because I'm talking and I got the monitor on. As a quick temporary fix, please insert our address if your own address doesn't work. And then we have the address right here. We go ahead and just copy and paste that. Thank you for your patience, Planet Watchers. We keep working. And as long as they keep working, we're going to get the reward soon. So you go back to the Planet Watch page and you click on one of your miners. We'll click on this one. And then you're going to go ahead and go down over here to update location. Click on that. And then you're going to go ahead and copy and paste the address that you plugged in. And then click on the address that pops up. And then you're going to hit update location. What's going to happen after you do that, you're going to have that location updated. And it's going to take about 20 minutes for everything to go through. So in about 20 minutes after you've done all of your sensors, you want to hit the refresh button, and then all of the sensors should have that little triangle removed. Now, what I did earlier after I did this is I went through and I then waited until all those GPS triangles were removed, and then I put my information back in for each and every sensor, waited 20 minutes, hit refresh, and it went back to the GPS issue. So we got this from one of our subscribers. We watched him do this yesterday in a video, and I believe he made a comment about adding your address back after the GPS issue is fixed. It did not work for me, but if it worked for you guys, if you put in the French address and then waited 20 minutes and then put in your address, and if your little triangle for the GPS errors were clear, I'd like to know in the comments below. So definitely leave that out below for me. Now, with all that said, and even though we're waiting on the rewards, another good sign that you're in the right place and that you are going to be earning these rewards when they get these worked out is, of course, going to be on the blockchain. Because once something's recorded on the blockchain, then it's already there and it's permanently ingrained on the blockchain forever and ever and ever. And that's going to allow you to then get your prorated or your backdated rewards for the ones that we've been missing for the first 72 hours or 96 hours or however long we've been up and running, as long as everything has met the qualifications. And you can look at that on the Algo Explorer. And so you just pull up the Algo Explorer, you get your wallet address for where your Planet tokens are basically being sent out to, which we have ours right here, which is our actual one on the Planet Explorer. And then you can see here that there are some transfers and some activity of 0 planets going through, which I believe these are in relation to the streams and the data that they are being sent out every 4 minutes or so per miner. Mine are a little spaced out together. Mostly it's been consistently around 4 minutes a piece, but I think when now my 4 miners up, it's been around 3 minutes per piece. And we have done a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 50. We have done a total of 450 transactions, give or take a few, with the deposits of every single time you onboard an Aware element, they give you 0.21 to go towards any of the fees. Let's see if we can back up to the second time I did that. Let's see. Every time I onboarded it, because I think I had one up for just 24 hours straight, and then I set up another one. Yep, so there's another one I onboarded at 0.21. And then that was like 5 pages worth of data, and then so on and so forth. Now, it is weird for me because I've received a total of 15 planets. Let me see if that's going up in the meantime. Because I've been doing a lot of transactions, but I don't understand why I received a total of 15 planets. It came in batches of 5. I thought maybe I was getting 5 planets per sensor that I had installed, but let's go ahead and take a gander. Yeah, we're still just sitting at 15 planets, which is intriguing. But we've also had the fortunate of in the app from it going from wearable to indoor. So I'm glad they fixed that as well. So as long as you go onto the Explorer and you plug in your address, and you could see that there is transactions going through, and it's gonna be a transaction from their wallet to yours. So you're not paying the Algorand fee; they're paying the Algorand fee, which is also pretty solid. Then this is all recorded on the blockchain, and I believe that technically it's going to take whatever wallet or whatever sensor that these came from, and they're going to take how many transfers of that happen in a 24-hour period, and they're going to split up that 23 planet guaranteed reward, unless we've got saturation that goes down, and it changes that, and they're going to then divvy those out to the proper address that you delegate. Now, the last thing that I want to discuss, and I will show this on a longer video or another video here in the future when we actually do have more planet tokens to do this on a video, is that there is a way to, because someone was asking how can I transfer planet tokens out of my wallet that's on the app, and really it's quite simple. I didn't put my Algorand official mobile wallet app on the Planetwatch app, but what you can actually do is you could put your Planetwatch app wallet onto the official Algo wallet by just using your 24 or 27 word passphrase on the Algo wallet, and then you can actually transact on the planet tokens and the Algo you have there in the Algorand official mobile wallet. So we'll do that on a separate video, just like I said, when we have actual Algo tokens, and when we are not Algo tokens, planet tokens, when we are ready to start transferring that 25% payment that I promised my 2 hosts each week. We'll do that all on a video. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you are getting a little impatient, just hold on a little bit longer. That's all I could say. Just, this is going to be worth it in the long run. This is only 4 days since it launched, and we have years of air quality that we're going to be able to mine and sell for these planet tokens, and the planet tokens are just going to go up in price, and everything is recorded on the blockchain, so we're going to get those rewards. So just be patient. Don't FUD. Don't get scared. Don't freak out. Planetwatch is a fantastic platform. It's a fantastic project built on the Algorand blockchain that we are super, super excited for. So just ride it out. Take a chill pill again. Have yourself a beer. We're going to get there. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me on Telegram, Twitter, or Discord. Links for all that is in the description of this video. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff. I'm Will Price. We'll see you guys next time. Damn kids touching my shit.